Cleaning new hats with multicolors can be difficult. The dyes on each panel can easily bleed and stain another panel if not done correctly. When cleaning, you must clean the colors separate to avoid staining the colors from other color panels. With Crown Kleen, this is the proper way to clean your hat. Open up your packaging, which comes with a Crown Kleen solution and brush. Make sure to use the dry brush to get any excess dust or dirt off the hat before adding the solution. Next, add the solution to the dry brush. Start with one color and brush your hat on only the same color panels. Once you are finished with one color panel, be sure to wash and rinse your brush in cold water and leaving it to dry for a few minutes before starting on a different color panel. Wipe your hat panels with a microfiber towel to soak up any excess solution or water. Repeat steps as needed for any panels that need a little more work. Once finished, leave hat to air dry. Time will vary depending on how damp the hat is. And that is how you clean a hat with multicolored panels. The Crown Kleen kit and other hat cleaning products can be found over at crownkleen.com. Make sure to keep your hats clean with Crown Kleen. Until next time.